This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara.levine. Move-in ready. Seller has upgraded home throughout the years. Wonderful bright open floor plan and level lot. New roof and skylights 2020, new deck 2022, hot water heater 2016. Windows replaced 2006 plus new vinyl siding and all rake boards wrapped in aluminum. The HVAC has been meticulously maintained, as well as the entire home. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara.levine at 757-810-8624.